Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you what fruits and vegetables your budgies can eat. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll also share a few foods that your bird cannot eat. One fruit that your budgie can eat is the apple. Budgies can eat apples and it's very healthy for them. Another vegetable that your budgies can eat is the carrot. One other fruit that your budgie can eat is the pear. Pears are very sweet and nutritious, so it'll be very healthy for your bird. Now let's talk about foods that your bird cannot eat. Birds cannot eat chocolate. They cannot digest it, and it'll kill them. Another vegetable that budgies cannot eat is the avocado. Even finches cannot eat avocados. And one last thing that birds cannot eat is cheese. Birds are lactose intolerant, so they cannot eat cheese and digest it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and enjoy our videos.